All right, so we are here again. We want to analyze this data. So the first thing that we need to do before we analyze the data, we need to know what we're working with. So in this particular case, we have a video analysis with time, but you don't know what column B is. You don't know what column C, and on down. You can guess, but you don't really know. So let's just double tap on all of them so that all will be revealed. All right, so our theory doesn't necessarily require time, but we're going to use it. But it does require X and Y. It does not require X velocity and Y velocity, so we're just going to hide those two. Again, we're going to hide those two. So here's the hide button. So now all of that is hidden. Okay, so the very first thing that we want to do is we want to find R. And R is the radius. And the radius is measured in what? Meters. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in here and say equals to X. No, it's the square root. SQR. Q. Square root of X. Squared plus C squared. So we have our radius there, and let's just go ahead and fill all the way down so as to calculate the radius for all of our points. They all should be close to 15, as they are. The next column is going to be time, and this is going to be units of S. Next column is going to be the sine function, and then the cosine function will follow that. Then we're going to do time again. Okay, and in this column, we're going to have secant, and then the next column is going to be cosecant. Then we're going to do time again. And this time we're going to do tangent. So this is tangent, and this one is cotangent. All right, so we have all of these columns that we need to fill out. Time is just going to come from first column. And then sine is going to come from the opposite over the hypotenuse. Then we have cosine, which is just equal to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this data and we're going to fill it. Now that is the first portion. We want to continue on, and we want to do the same thing for time, secant, cosecant, time, tangent, and cotangent.